Good afternoon, everybody. We're out here today in Wade, North Carolina, about to remove some bees from a bush. This is going to be interesting. I'm not going to say it's going to be easy because they're in there. They're deep in there, and there's branches all in it. So we'll see how it goes. Let's do this. Let's cut a couple of these branches that are not touching anything.
Yeah, I got a good one right here.
Yeah, and get them out of the way. That way we can work a little bit.
Do you mind cutting a couple branches down?
There's literally a tree or
you
something
say,
growing
yeah,
out.
you guys are good.
Just completely short. They need to trim it anyway.
Right there.
I want the bush out of my way.
You want the... Cool, man. Get this ready.
There's a little bit of comb. There's no honey on that. That's eggs.
Okay.
Eggs.
I'm just going to set this in the hive to keep the bees in here and on it. Maybe they'll help the others that we drop in. It's not really good to...
But I don't really know what this comb is stuck to.
Yeah, it's long abdomen and she doesn't have any hair on her back.
I got it all straight through the comb.
That's all right.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, they just built around whatever they could.
It looks like the queen, everyone's moving up. Yeah, this is all.
Can I get a picture of that?
Yeah.
Take all the pictures you want.
Thank you.
So this is all eggs. No honey in this. They're not bothering y'all, are they?
No, not at all. I think that he's just right
The big thing is if you get one over there, don't swat at it. It'll fly, it'll check you out. As long as you don't swat at it, it'll probably come back and bother us. And I'd rather that than bothering you. So just don't swat at it.
Okay.
Hey, are you? Yeah, they're getting the bees.
You got my knife over there, don't you?
Need it?
No, I got it.
Hey, thanks PC for
Crazy because they've made it into like small pieces of comb, then it'll be a branch, and then small pieces. Hand me that knife.
We would guess probably since mid-spring, mid to late spring.
surprised I didn't notice them at all. I mean, I've seen bees. There was a lot more bees during the summer than there usually was, but
Yeah, like I've noticed bees out here. I just didn't realize they had a big hive.
A lot of people say that.
Yeah.
And you'll go into place and they'll say, oh, I don't think they've been there but a few weeks. And there'll be a hive in there so big you can tell it's been there for years.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, yeah, these aren't a few weeks old.
Right. Crazy.
They got like no honey. I haven't seen any honey yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Must be up at the top.
We definitely, I think we all recognize it.
There's a lot of brood.
Springtime.
Yeah. It's good. That means there's a queen in here. Look for these when you pull them out. Look on them for the queen too.
I got you.
If you can.
where do you take the bees after you're done? Like,
We'll take them to our apiary or where our house is, basically.
my don't split.
We're going for little stuff now.
Okay.
I'm smashing half of this, by the way. There's no way to cut it clean like
Yeah.
stand normally.
Yeah, just salvage what you can.
Throwing a bunch of eggs, but whatever. This. It's wrapped around too. Bro, how am I supposed to get it out with the brace? through the middle of it.
Makes it challenging.
See you later.
How'd you guys get into it? You just decided to start doing it one day?
Well, like I did it with my grandfather a while
that's right,
when I
yeah.
was younger, and then Zach, he got into it. I don't know what got him into it.
I just had a buddy who had some bees, and I was like, that'd be cool. And I lived out in the country, and I was like, let's give it a go and see what happens. So we started this year, and it's been really fun.
That's cool. A lot of people will find bees in their house and they'll just gas them or kill them. And what they don't realize is you can kill all the bees, but you're not going to get all the honey and the larvae, and that invites pests, ants and rats and mice and cockroaches. And
Yeah.
people are like, I got rid of my bees and I can't figure out why we've got cockroaches now. Well, it's because you've got a bunch of rotting bee carcasses in your,
Right.
so.
Oh, that's gross. Yeah, I never even considered that. I mean, it makes sense.
Yeah.
But... Yeah. Yeah, I think it's pretty awesome this year.
And then come around this side.
Yep, you need the clicker.
No, come around right here. Grab all that. Stand and hold and tell. It just came off in one, man.
Yeah, that's cool, that's cool.
Well, that's a lot. You think the queen's in there? Probably is.
They're really starting to get unhappy.
Is that all larvae or are you soaking?
Mm-hmm, it's all brood, that dark capped. It's all brood.
I've never seen it like be in like the plant or around the plant like that.
Yeah.
It is absolutely part of this bush.
How'd that stuff come out? I couldn't even see it. Just a big brood.
Just a big chunk. Yeah, don't.
So the white stuff, is it the larvae or?
Yeah,
So-
yeah, we're kind of killing some of them. There's really not
it's
a
hard
way
to,
around it
because
sometimes.
the vines are in there. It's hard
Yeah.
to do it, but here, let me see.
I was just wondering because I saw some of them like carrying
Yeah,
that.
these are the larvae right here.
Oh wow.
So these were about to be hatched,
Yeah.
like all that capped. Yeah,
Are
these
you
are gonna be
official?
babies.
That's so cool.
But like I said, with it being in the tree, it's hard to.
Yeah.
Normally, I like to get a clean cut and try and preserve it because it
Right.
actually it's a lot of effort for them to make all this comb.
Yeah.
And with it being kind of late in the season, we're gonna put this comb. We're putting them in those frames to try and give them a head start.
Yeah. Okay.
And get these bees off. Here's a little bit of honey.
Yeah, my parents' honey, they had the bees right in front of their asparagus. So they
Tastes
got
disgusting.
asparagus
So
honey.
this is that right there's a little bit of honey. You
Oh
can
wow.
just dip your finger in it and lick
Did
it.
it really?
Or you can bite it and chew it like chewing gum.
There's leaves in it.
Oh,
That
okay.
was really good.
Is there a tick?
Can I take it? Thank you.
Yeah, there's a bee on here.
Yeah.
If you wanted to put it, I went without the leaf, but you can put it in your mouth and chew on it. I don't swallow the bees, I gotta spit it out, but kind of suck the honey out of it.
That is so crazy.
Does it taste like lavender?
It's good. I don't know about lavender.
That was the first,
Actually, yeah.
that's the first honey that I've seen.
It does kind of have like a floral kind of taste to it. It's really good.
But
How much more comb you got in there?
Decent amount.
We're done, bro. We should have brought a
hold
10
on,
frame.
hold on. Well, can you just stick it in the bottom for now?
Well, we got one more frame.
Let me get, there's some better comb up top.
Okay.
Let me get in here a little bit.
Do you think can you find the bees and the queen yet?
No, it's going to be really hard to find the queen in all this. Hopefully, we can hope that we scoop her up like that and she's in there or something.
No, don't do it. It's too much.
All right, clip this right here.
Was that the only honey that
This
you
one?
found
Yep.
so far, or
Box?
Yeah.
oh yeah.
They're probably going to go all over your head.
That's fine.
Oh.
Not sure if that was water or honey all in my face.
Yeah, it's probably honey or water. A little bit of both.
Yeah, flow that thing down.
Hold what? Oh,
There's a big shell.
I don't know if it'll sit on it.
Is that honey?
Yeah, there might be a little bit in there, nectar or something. Can you clip this?
Yep.
I brought my hand clippers.
Take like 3 steps back because this one definitely like. Alright, ready?
Try and clip it low.
Show me it.
I was using a knife to cut half that stuff.
There we go.
Yeah, that's true.
One of them's gotta work.
You clip?
Yeah. Actually, let me see if I can get it with the knife.
Hold on, I got it.
Or if you got it.
Grandpa will be so happy.
Don't knock the box over. Open them up where it's not open. There you go. Clip this right here, what I got my fingers on. Can. I can come around and look at that. I wish I brought my hand clippers.
You got it.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Just leaving it there.
I got clean cups on this.
I saw a couple string cups earlier. You're gonna have to just rip that off.
Yeah. Well, it went in the box. That's what I was wanting.
Ooh, beetle.
Beetles, really?
Yeah, one beetle.
Dude, if we can keep getting them out like this, I'm pretty confident we might get the queen.
Oh yeah.
Did you guys find the queen?
We haven't seen her.
To find her, but there's some good signs. It seems that they want to take to the new hive.
Oh, okay, yeah, because they're all starting to head that way.
Yeah. That's some good honey right there.
Yeah, if you can get the bees off of it, they might want that. They're pegging my hand. We don't
Because
like
I don't
you.
see any more comb.
There's just little bits and pieces here and there,
Well,
but
that's
the,
good
the
because we
bulk
can
of
just
it is
take.
out.
I'll take this frame. If you hold that and keep working on that, I'll put the comb of what we got.
Yeah, that'd be a great idea. Yeah.
Oh, crap.
This is harder than a cutout.
No way.
Yeah, dude. All these chunks of comb like that, and just the,
That doesn't mean it's hard.
well, a lot harder than being able to lean the branch over the hive and shake the whole tree, and everything just falls right in the hive.
I would agree with that. But this is significantly easier than trying to deconstruct a house.
See, the hard part off of this. I almost wish, I wonder if we could move the ladder closer and bump the front of the hive up to the tree if they would all run into the hive.
Do they know the hive's in there?
What's that?
Do all of them know the hive's in there?
Well, there's some that's fanning out front. They're not fanning as much as they were, but there's a lot of bees on the front too. So.
Okay.
Come hold it real quick while I move this ladder. The other thing that's got me concerned is
That's good.
I'm trying to find a stable ground. Alright, y'all are gonna die on the bottom.
Yeah, see, we moved it away from there and they followed it. They're flying around the front now. Let's get the top on it. Oh,
You see this right here is where we made this like their bridge and they were just walking up,
Yeah.
getting onto the front.
here, can you slide that in there? Work it in.
No, there's way too many bees. Hold on.
They'll move.
Just hold the.
I got it. I got the hive. You need any smoke or anything?
Yeah.
Can't really see. So.
If you watch from here, you can see the hive just a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Got it? Let me take it.
Hold on. Give me the top. Because I'm gonna push them down with this smoke and then put the top on it.
Might have got a couple, but can't really avoid it.
I know I got a couple. There's too many.
You got 10 bees in a hive with 20,000 bees in it. You didn't even get 1%. Yeah, they were coming out of the front. They're like, we don't like this smoke.
Yeah.
All right, let's cut.
Think I should come back with a 10 frame? Nah.
No, they're in there now.
Yeah.
I mean, you'd be surprised how many bees will fit into a 5 frame. Especially they got all that comb to hang on to. Oh, they're bearding like crazy. but they're not going anywhere, and those bees are coming over here. So what we need to do,
Banded the rest of this.
yeah, let's cut off any little bits of comb, like the big chunks that we can, if we can. Bandit the tar out of that. They ain't coming back there. Can you keep that chunk of comb up there?
Tried to sting me.